Intelligent Inline Compact Sewing Template Machine for Premium Turtleback serviced by Tomsewing. First of all, this compact unit covers a very small area of just 1.2 meters by 1.1 meters. It fits perfectly into your current inline manufacturing cells. You do not have to waste time rearranging your workshop floor just to use it. Secondly, the system starts stitching with absolutely no messy bird nests. There is zero loose thread left at the beginning of the sewing process. Furthermore, operators can quickly exchange both the upper and bottom threads. Consequently, this helpful feature greatly improves the overall sewing quality of your garments. Thirdly, it features built-in RFID chip technology. Because of this, the machine can freely preset your custom template data. It makes replacing different physical templates much more convenient and accurate. Your team can switch garment styles in a matter of seconds without making mistakes.